Okay. So now we're gonna teach you to how to solve this stupid Rubiks Cube. Okay. Now shuffle it. Okay. Alright, looks better. So now hey. Right now teaching you is very difficult, but I'm gonna make this very easy for you. So now our 3 goals is: first goal, make some first layer. Okay, so the second goal is to make a top layer, finish top layer, and the third goal is to finish the goal. So now first goal is makes first layer. So now find this white, so white, blue, and red. So find it. So here, that, and that, here. So we'll probably here to be successfully done of orange, green, and white. So now this, rotate it down, down. Okay, first there, right? So move there. So when you see this move, all you need is to front net here, goes here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. Okay, now when you see this, here, yeah. So when you see this is a bio move. So this is yellow on the top layer. Find then yellow on this side. So here, yellow. So the move is 1, 2, back, da, and finish the top layer. So now move this to get top layer, the edge, or not the edge, the mid layer, and the base layer. So now see this is a finisher to make the section 3 or the goal 3 be top layer. So now if you want to base here, it's okay, or here, it's okay, but I'm using this. Okay, so the move is 1, alto, right? So repeat. So right. So make a color like this. Okay. First layer. So now the player, I see the buy move. Then the finisher, I will use this part, and then. So it's very basic. So okay.